Hello everyone. I bought this one from Prince Auto and I thought to share this video with you. This is EverStart Max Rechargeable 600 lemons, and here's in the back. It can be used for camping, repair, and so on. It has a magnet and rechargeable also with home or car. So let's test it and see how good is this work light or rechargeable light. LED light. First of all, let's take a look to the material and the quality. Press and hold. Kind of a lightweight. There is a magnet here too, so let's test the magnet. So the magnet, it's kind of not very strong, as you see. Okay, but it holds, so it's good. As long as it holds, which is good. Okay. Yeah, that's the magnet. You can use this to hanging like that. Those are a little bit loose, the three of them here. You can, to turn those on, press here. There are three modes. This is one, off, 1, 2, 3, 4, off. As you can see, there's a lot of benefits about the design of this light. You can, you see, you can also use this to adjust angle, like that's it. That's how far it goes. Or you can go like that, okay, and see, you can easily hook it up to the metal, which is, it's a good, really good way to do this, you know. And this has a just rechargeable. It's USB and goes basically here to recharge it. And it has this one also, the charger, and another for car adapter charger too, and the user manual too. So here it says like 11 hours runtime. This is very long rechargeable LED light, which is last really long time. But I'm gonna leave it on. Like I'm gonna leave it on and see how long it's gonna take, how many hours. And let's before we do that, let's make sure it's fully charged. So I'm gonna hook it up to the power and see. When you hook it up to the power, you see here is the LED flashing. That means it's charging. Let's see how long it's going to take to fully charge, and how long it's going to take when we leave it on, and see if this is going to take, like as it says on the package, 11 hours runtime. It has been 1 hour. As you see now, it's fully charged. When it's fully charged, you see the blue LED light start flashing. While it's charging, you can also use this work LED light, as you see. No problem. Now, because it's blue flashing LED, that means it's fully charged. So I turned it on, all the LED lights, all of them on high mode. I'm gonna leave it on and see how long it's gonna take to fade a little bit the light, or the battery starts dying a little bit. So I'll leave it here and we'll come back and see how long it's gonna take. Pretty much after 3 hours, the battery went dead, I turn all the LED lights on, and last pretty much 3 hours. Maybe if you turn like only the center LED or those ones, it lasts longer, but pretty much on full, all the LED lights on, it lasts 3 hours, which is considerably. If you turn maybe a little bit on the low mode, it may last for almost like maybe 10 or 11 hours, as it says in the package. What surprised me, which is really good, useful function, this work LED light, multi-function, it also can charge your smartphone. As soon as you hook up the USB here, this is just regular USB here, and this is a Samsung smartphone here, hook it up, and then press this one here, little bottom, and that's really great. It may not be maybe fully fast charge or so, but it's, as you see indicate here, it's charging. Once you turn this off, and this also won't it will turn off, press, and it's charging. And that's maybe really good to have for emergency while you're working or so, and you need to charge your battery, your cell phone. You can use this as a cell phone, smartphone charger. Even while you're charging your smartphone, you can still use it, and see, and you can also only use the center light only, see, on and off, while you're charging smartphone, and to save energy, to save the battery power. But if you remove this, let's remove this and turn this off, now you can see use all the LED. Very good headlight. I like it so much, and I'll put the link description if you like to buy this. Thank you so much for watching. All the best, and hope to see you next time. I'm outside now, and let's give it a try on the dark, because it's night time, so we'll see how good is this light. As you see, I'm gonna turn off. This is okay, so that's all three of them here. So, turn off. That's the center, and the three, all of them on. I'm gonna turn off. It's pretty dark, and one light center, this is low. The three of them here, and all of them, very good light. Again, high, that's the center only, and low, all of them. That's only three are around, and all of them on. Very good. I can see very clear, very bright, and excellent multi-functional work LED light.